Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Homemade Energy Balls. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining energy levels throughout the day can be a challenge. Between work, family commitments, and personal time, finding the right snack that provides both nutrition and energy is essential. Enter homemade energy balls. These bite-sized powerhouses are not only easy to make, but are also packed with nutrients that keep you going. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, just want a snack for your weekend hike, or a parent on the go, energy balls are a perfect addition to your daily routine. Energy balls are a great way to ensure you're getting a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Ingredients like nuts, seeds, oats, and dried fruits offer a variety of essential nutrients. For example, nuts provide healthy fats and proteins, while oats are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. One of the best things about making energy balls at home is the ability to customize them to your taste and dietary needs. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have other dietary restrictions, you can choose ingredients that suit your lifestyle. Add some chocolate chips for a sweet treat, or go for chia seeds and flaxseed for an extra health boost. Homemade energy balls are incredibly easy to make and require no baking. This makes them a perfect option for those who need a quick snack solution. They can be prepared in batches and stored for a week or more, providing a convenient grab-and-go option for busy days. Making your own energy balls can be more cost-effective than buying pre-packaged snacks. By purchasing ingredients in bulk, you can save money and create a larger quantity of snacks that last longer. Here's a simple and delicious recipe to get you started. Feel free to modify the ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 dates soaked in warm water, 1 tablespoon of mini chocolate chips or cacao nibs, 2 tablespoons of seeds such as sunflower, chia, pumpkin, flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Ingredients: mix the ingredients. In a food processor, combine the oats, seeds, salt, and cocoa powder. Do short pulses until they are at the consistency you want. I prefer finer rather than chunky. Add the dates, honey, vanilla extract, and cranberries, and pulse again until combined. If the mixture is too dry, add a little more honey. If it's too wet, add more oats or flaxseed. Finally, add the chocolate chips. Using your hands, roll the mixture into small balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Place the balls on a baking sheet lined with greaseproof paper and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them to firm up. Once chilled, transfer the energy balls into airtight containers. They can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week or in the freezer for longer. My tips for making the perfect energy balls: experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients. try adding pretzels, raisins, or chopped nuts for added texture and flavor. Use a food processor. If you prefer a smoother texture, use a food processor to blend the ingredients before forming the balls. If you prefer something more chunky, chop the ingredients and make the recipe in a bowl. Keep them handy. Store energy balls in small portions so you can easily grab a few when you're in need of a quick energy boost. Homemade energy balls are versatile, nutritious, and convenient snack that can be tailored to meet your dietary needs and preferences. By making them yourself, you ensure that you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients, free from preservatives and artificial additives. So why not give it a try? Your body and your taste buds will thank you. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.